Did you know that with just a small jar of Vicks VapoRub, you can do so much more than just ease coughs and clear nasal congestion? In fact, it has up to 20 surprising uses, from health and beauty care to everyday life hacks, benefits you probably never even thought of. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more amazing tips coming your way. 1. Relieves cough and nasal congestion. One of the most well-known and popular uses of Vicks VapoRub is its ability to ease coughs and clear nasal congestion when you're dealing with a cold, the flu, or seasonal allergies. Simply apply a thin layer of Vicks to your chest, neck, or under your nose before bed, and you'll immediately notice the refreshing scent and cooling sensation. Key ingredients like menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil help soothe the airways, open up nasal passages, and reduce that heavy, stuffy feeling in your sinuses. As a result, breathing becomes easier, nighttime coughing is reduced, and you'll enjoy a more restful sleep to help your body recover faster. This is a simple, safe remedy trusted by families around the world for generations. While Vicks isn't a cure for colds on those uncomfortable days of congestion or flu-like symptoms, it truly works as a small but powerful ally. 2. Relieves headaches. Headaches are a common issue caused by many factors such as stress, lack of sleep, changes in weather, or spending long hours in front of a computer screen. Instead of immediately reaching for medication, you can try Vicks VapoRub as a simple, natural, and safe way to ease the pain. Just take a small amount and gently apply it to your temples, forehead, or the back of your neck. Then massage the area for a few minutes. The cooling sensation from menthol helps relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and relieve pressure in the head. At the same time, the refreshing aroma of menthol and eucalyptus provides a calming effect on your nervous system, helping you feel more relaxed and at ease. This is especially useful for those who often deal with work pressure, study stress, or mental fatigue. While Vicks is not a replacement for medical treatment, in cases of severe or chronic headaches, it can be a safe and effective way to ease symptoms quickly and help you recover faster. 3. Helps relieve sinus congestion. Sinusitis is a common condition that causes pressure and pain in the forehead and nasal bridge, often accompanied by congestion, runny nose, and lingering discomfort. For mild cases, Vicks VapoRub can be used as a supportive remedy to ease these symptoms. You can simply open the jar and inhale the menthol vapors, or add a small amount to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. The warm vapor combined with eucalyptus and menthol helps thin mucus, clear nasal passages, and instantly soothe sinus pressure. Some people also apply a thin layer under the nose or around the nostrils to prolong the effect. This is a safe, easy home remedy, especially useful during cold, dry weather, or when dealing with seasonal colds. However, it's important to note that Vicks only helps with symptom relief. If sinus issues persist, recur frequently, or are accompanied by a high fever, you should consult a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment of the underlying condition. 4. Relieves muscle and back pain. After intense workouts, heavy labor, or even just sitting in the wrong posture for too long, many people experience muscle soreness and back pain. Instead of immediately reaching for painkillers, you can use Vicks VapoRub as a simple massage remedy. Applying a thin layer directly to the sore area and gently massaging it in allows the active ingredients like camphor and menthol to create a warming and cooling sensation. This effect helps stimulate blood circulation, relax tense muscles, and speed up recovery in stiff areas. Many athletes also rely on Vicks as a quick, temporary relief after training to help their bodies relax. But it's not just for athletes. Anyone who spends long hours at a desk or on their feet can benefit from this soothing method. It's safe, inexpensive, and easy to use, making it a practical alternative for easing body aches without overusing medication. 5. Relieves joint and knee pain. Vicks VapoRub isn't just useful for soothing sore muscles. It can also help ease joint discomfort, especially in areas that take on a lot of stress like the knees, elbows, and ankles. By applying a thin layer to the affected joint and gently massaging in circular motions for a few minutes, you'll feel the alternating warming and cooling effect from menthol and camphor. This stimulation improves blood circulation, relaxes the surrounding tissues, and provides temporary relief from stiffness and discomfort. Many older adults, as well as people who engage in frequent physical activity, use this method as a simple at-home massage remedy. Keep in mind, though, that Vicks is not a treatment for arthritis or serious joint conditions. It only provides short-term relief. Still, it's a safe, inexpensive, and practical way to improve daily comfort, especially when sudden joint pain flares up. 6. Soothes insect bites. Bug bites from mosquitoes, ants, or other small insects often cause redness, swelling, and that unbearable itching, especially for children. Instead of scratching, which can make the bite worse and increase the risk of infection, you can use Vicks VapoRub as a simple and effective remedy. Just apply a thin layer directly to the bite, and the menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil get to work right away. These ingredients provide mild anti-inflammatory benefits, calm irritation, reduce swelling, and deliver an instant cooling sensation. Many parents rely on this trick for their kids because it's safe, quick, and effective. Plus, the strong menthol scent of Vicks naturally repels mosquitoes and other insects, acting as a protective barrier. With just one small jar, you can both soothe itchy bites and keep bugs at bay. Perfect for camping, outdoor activities, or family trips. 7. Relieves mild ear pain. Mild earaches can occur due to weather changes, colds, minor infections, or pressure buildup in the ear, often causing sharp discomfort that disrupts daily life. A common home remedy is using Vicks VapoRub to quickly soothe the pain. The method is simple. Take a clean cotton ball, dab a small amount of Vicks onto it, and gently place it at the outer opening of the ear. Never push it deep inside. Within a few minutes, the warming sensation from ingredients like camphor and menthol helps ease the discomfort and provides a sense of relaxation. This is only a temporary relief method, ideal when you need quick comfort before seeing a doctor or getting proper treatment. However, Vicks is not a cure for ear infections or other ear-related conditions. If the pain persists, is accompanied by fever or fluid discharge, you should consult a healthcare professional to identify and treat the root cause safely. 8. Eases menstrual cramps during that time of the month. Many women experience abdominal pain, bloating, and fatigue, which can interfere with daily activities and work. Instead of relying solely on painkillers, you can try a safe and effective home remedy using Vicks VapoRub. The method is simple. Apply a thin layer of Vicks to the lower abdomen and gently massage in circular motions to help the oils absorb evenly. The warming sensation from menthol and camphor in Vicks helps relax the uterine muscles, reducing cramping and alleviating discomfort. This technique provides a soothing, comforting effect while being gentle on the skin. When combined with rest, warm drinks, or a heating pad, the pain often subsides quickly. While Vicks cannot replace medication for severe cramps or serious menstrual disorders, it remains a natural, convenient, and easy-to-use option to relieve discomfort and maintain normal daily activities during menstruation without relying on chemical painkillers. 9. Repels Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are not only annoying but can also carry various diseases, especially during rainy seasons or in humid climates. A natural, simple, and effective way to keep mosquitoes away is by using Vicks VapoRub. Thanks to its strong menthol and eucalyptus scent, Vicks deters mosquitoes from approaching the skin while providing a cooling, refreshing sensation when applied to exposed areas like the arms, legs, or neck. Before bedtime or when heading outdoors for activities like camping, simply apply a thin layer of Vicks to reduce mosquito bites. For young children, you can also apply a small amount around the bed, pillow, or clothing to help protect them and prevent uncomfortable bites. This method is safe, convenient, and cost-effective compared to chemical mosquito repellents. It's a simple yet effective traditional tip suitable for any household, especially for families with kids or those living in areas with high mosquito activity, helping protect health and provide peace of mind in daily life. 10 treats pimples and inflammatory blemishes. Pimples and inflamed blemishes are common skin concerns, often causing redness, swelling, pain, and affecting appearance, especially when they appear right before an important event. A lesser-known but very useful use of Vicks VapoRub is its ability to soothe and reduce the size of pimples quickly. By applying a small amount of Vicks directly onto the blemish, ingredients like menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil provide that mild anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects, helping reduce swelling and ease the painful, irritated sensation on the skin. At the same time, the cooling sensation from Vicks gives immediate relief, making the pimple feel less uncomfortable. Many people also use this trick to dry out the pimple and speed up the formation of a head, shortening the overall healing time. However, it's important not to apply too much or use it on sensitive skin to avoid irritation. This is a temporary, convenient solution for quickly managing red, swollen pimples before meetings, events, or when specialized acne products aren't available. 11. Soften cracked heels. Dry, cracked heels can be painful and unsightly, especially during the winter months or for those who often wear closed shoes. One little known but highly effective foot care trick is using Vicks VapoRub to treat this condition. Before going to bed, simply wash your feet, pat them dry, and apply a thick layer of Vicks over the heels. Then, put on a pair of cotton socks to trap heat and help the moisturizing ingredients penetrate the skin overnight. By morning, you'll notice your heels feel noticeably softer thanks to the hydrating properties of ingredients like eucalyptus oil, pine oil, and petroleum jelly. With consistent use over several nights, even deeper cracks can improve significantly, leaving your feet smooth, comfortable, and well cared for. This method is simple, inexpensive, and ideal for anyone who frequently wears high heels, works in dry or cold environments, or has sensitive skin, helping maintain healthy and attractive feet every day. 12. Strengthened nails, fingernails, and toenails are often prone to weakness, brittleness, breakage, or fungal infections, especially if you frequently come into contact with water, soap, or cleaning chemicals. A little-known but effective home remedy is using Vicks VapoRub to improve nail health. Simply apply a small amount of Vicks to the surface of your nails and the surrounding skin. Then gently massage for a few minutes to allow the oils to absorb. Antibacterial ingredients like menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil help prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi, while the petroleum jelly base moisturizes, leaving nails stronger and shinier. For those dealing with nail fungus or weak nails, consistent daily use may help slow the spread of infection and improve overall nail durability. While Vicks is not a medical treatment, it's a simple, safe, and cost-effective solution that can be combined with other nail care practices, like moisturizing, proper trimming, and vitamin supplements to achieve healthier, more attractive nails. 13. Reduce acne. Acne, especially those red, inflamed spots, can be uncomfortable and affect your confidence. A lesser-known but surprisingly effective use of Vicks VapoRub is to help soothe pimples quickly. When a single inflamed pimple appears, simply apply a small amount of Vicks directly onto the spot at night before bed. Ingredients like menthol and eucalyptus oil have mild anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce swelling, cool the skin, and ease discomfort. Additionally, Vicks can help dry out the pimple and speed up the healing process. However, this method should only be used on isolated pimples, not over large areas or on sensitive skin, as it may cause mild irritation. This is a convenient emergency solution when you need to calm a pimple before meetings, events, or photo sessions, giving you confidence and comfort overnight. Keep in mind, though, that this is a temporary fix and does not replace specialized skincare treatments. 14. Soothe Sunburn. After prolonged sun exposure, your skin can become red, hot, irritated, and even dry or peeling. For mild sunburns, Vicks VapoRub can act as a quick rescue to soothe the skin and provide immediate comfort. Thanks to its menthol and eucalyptus oil content, Vicks creates a cooling effect that instantly relieves the burning, stinging sensation. Additionally, the Vaseline in Vicks helps moisturize the skin, preventing dryness and minimizing peeling. Using it is simple. Apply a thin layer of Vicks to the sunburned area and leave it on for a few minutes. You'll feel immediate relief and soothing. This is a temporary remedy and cannot replace sunscreen, specialized moisturizers, or medical treatments for severe burns, but it's very helpful for mild cases. It's especially useful after a day at the beach, a picnic, or any extended outdoor activity when you didn't have sunscreen on hand. 15. Promote thicker hair folk remedy. Many people struggle with thinning, weak, or brittle hair and look for natural ways to encourage thicker growth. A popular folk remedy is using Vicks VapoRub combined with coconut oil or shampoo. The process is simple. Mix a small amount of Vicks with coconut oil, then gently massage it into the scalp for a few minutes before washing it out. The cooling sensation from the menthol and Vicks not only feels refreshing, but may also stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, nourishing hair follicles, and potentially supporting healthier, thicker hair over time. While there's no official scientific evidence confirming its effectiveness, many people have tried it and shared positive results, making it a trusted traditional tip. This method is safe, inexpensive, and suitable for those looking for a natural hair care approach. However, it's important not to overuse it, as sensitive scalps may become irritated. For the best results, combine it with a balanced diet and proper hair care routine. 16. Eliminate shoe odor. Shoe odor is a common problem that can make people feel self-conscious in social or professional situations. A simple yet effective tip is to use Vicks VapoRub to neutralize unpleasant smells. You can place a small jar of Vicks inside your shoes or apply a thin layer to the insoles before going to bed. Thanks to the menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oils in Vicks, foul odors are effectively masked while leaving a fresh, pleasant scent. Additionally, Vicks has mild antibacterial properties that help inhibit the growth of bacteria and mold, the primary culprits behind shoe odor. After letting it sit overnight, you'll notice your shoes smell significantly fresher in the morning, providing a clean and comfortable experience. This method is especially convenient for those who frequently wear sneakers, leather shoes, or shoes for long hours daily. It's a quick, inexpensive, and safe solution that keeps your footwear smelling fresh while protecting foot health from odor-causing agents and bacteria. 17. Keep cats off furniture. If you have cats, you've probably been frustrated by them scratching the sofa, climbing curtains, or getting onto surfaces where they shouldn't be, causing damage to your furniture. A simple, safe, and effective solution is to use Vicks VapoRub. Just apply a thin layer of Vicks to the areas where your cat tends to go, such as sofas, tables, curtains, or shelves. The strong scent of menthol and eucalyptus oil in Vicks is unpleasant to cats, encouraging them to stay away. This method is safe, non-toxic, and doesn't harm or overly frighten your pet, while helping protect your furniture. A small precaution: only apply a thin layer and avoid letting cats come into direct contact or lick the Vicks, as it could cause mild irritation. This is a traditional tip many cat owners use. Convenient, inexpensive, and long-lasting, helping you maintain a clean, tidy living space while minimizing pet-related damage. 18. Make a mosquito trap. Besides applying it directly to the skin, Vicks VapoRub can also be used as an effective way to repel mosquitoes indoors. Simply open the jar and place it in the corners of the room, especially in areas where mosquitoes tend to gather. The strong menthol scent keeps mosquitoes away from your living space. For even better results, you can add a small amount of Vicks to a bowl of warm water. The rising steam helps spread the aroma throughout the room, covering the entire space and discouraging mosquitoes from approaching. This method is completely safe, making it ideal for households with young children, elderly family members, or anyone who prefers to avoid mosquito coils, chemical sprays, or other chemical-based repellents. In addition to repelling mosquitoes, Vicks helps keep the room cool, comfortable, and relaxing. This is a convenient, cost-effective, traditional tip that protects your health while enhancing daily living comfort. 19. Repel mice and ants. Not only does Vicks VapoRub repel mosquitoes, but it can also serve as a natural savior for keeping mice and ants out of your home. Both mice and ants are sensitive to the strong menthol and eucalyptus scent, so they tend to avoid areas where Vicks is applied. If your home often experiences mice or ants in the kitchen, along walls, door cracks, or familiar pathways, simply apply a thin layer of Vicks to these spots. In a short time, mice and ants will naturally steer clear of the treated areas, helping your living space stay clean and comfortable. This is a safe alternative to chemical-based mouse traps or insecticides, which can be hazardous to children and pets. With just a small jar of Vicks, you can save money while maintaining a safe, pest-free home, all while creatively and conveniently making use of a product you already have. 20. Relieve mild allergy itching. Mild skin allergies are common and often appear as rashes, hives, or itchy, irritated skin after contact with dust, pet hair, or other irritants. A simple and convenient way to quickly ease discomfort is to use Vicks VapoRub. Just apply a thin layer to the affected area. Ingredients like menthol and camphor provide a cooling effect, soothing the burning and itching while reducing mild inflammation. Menthol acts as a mild topical anesthetic, delivering almost immediate relief and allowing you to go about your day without being bothered by the itch. However, this method is only suitable for mild allergic reactions on healthy skin. Do not apply on open wounds or in cases of severe allergic reactions, such as significant swelling, blisters, or widespread rashes. In serious situations, you should consult a healthcare professional for proper treatment. This is a quick, traditional home remedy that's handy for managing minor skin itchiness when you don't have specialized creams nearby. So there you have it, 20 surprising uses for Vicks VapoRub. From relieving coughs, nasal congestion, muscle aches, and joint pain to caring for your skin, nails, and hair, and even repelling mosquitoes, mice, or cats, Vicks truly proves to be a versatile household companion. Each little tip is simple, easy to apply, cost-effective, and safe, helping you quickly handle a variety of everyday situations without needing a bunch of specialized products. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends and family so they can discover these amazing tips too. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos sharing life hacks, health tips, beauty advice, and other useful tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.